Hello there, this video will teach you how to mount the upper body we were creating in the last episode onto every character controller you want. The first part of this episode will show you how to combine the upper body with a generic capsule character controller. Note that this is just a clarification on how it's done, so you can combine the upper body with your own custom character controller. After that, I will show you how to modify the hexabody we were creating in the previous episodes, so you can connect it to the upper body. So let's get right into it. First of all, delete the body game object inside player. Create a new capsule with player as parent and name it character controller. Set its physics layer to body. Scale it down to 0.2 on the X and Z axis and leave the Y axis on 1. Drag it a bit up on the Y axis. Next up, select the character controller and add a rigid body to it. Make sure to set it to interpolate and the rotation is frozen on every axis. Create a fixed joint, connect the character controller to physics and disable pre-processing. Next up, select the player and add a script to it that you want to call Simple Character Controller. The script is very simple. It just adds a force in the direction of your joystick's input. Remember, this is just an example. After that, move the character controller inside body, the camera controller inside camera controller. For the joystick, I'm using a custom input action and move speed should be 40. Make sure the new character controller is set to body in the movement script. And that's it. I hope that clarified how to combine the upper body with any character controller you want. Now I'm going to show you how to combine the hexabody with the upper body. First of all, drag the hexabody inside player. You can use your own hexabody or get the one I'm using from GitHub. Select the hexabody and apply the body layer to it. Remove the hexabody script and set its position to 1.275 on the y-axis. Next up, delete the body inside player. Select the chest and add a fixed joint to it. Connect it to physics and disable pre-processing. Since we won't need them anymore, select the hexabody's right and left hand and delete them both. Select the head and delete the two joints that were connected to the hands. Select the player, open the movement script and delete body transform rotation. The hexabody is already doing that. Open the hand control script and remove camera transform position. Back inside Unity, move the hexabody script inside player and apply everything you can. Use the same values as I do. After you've done that, use the hexabody's head as head component in the hand control script like shown. Then select the hexabody's head and disable its mesh renderer. Last but not least, open the hexabody script and remove the move and rotate hand method. And that's it. I hope now you understand how to combine the upper body with any character controller that you like. See you in the next episode.